Hello student, today we will learn 91 to 99 numbers. This is tens bundle. How many bundles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens bundle and 1 unit. 9 tens, 1 unit. 9 tens, 1 unit, 91. 9 tens and 1 2, 2 unit, 92. 9 tens and 3 unit, 9 tens, 3 unit, 93. 9 tens and 4 unit, 9 tens, 4 unit, 94. 9 tens and 5 unit, 95. 9 tens and 6 unit, 96. And 9 tens, 7 unit, 9 tens, 7 units, 97. 9 tens and 8 unit, 98. And 9 tens, 9 unit, 99. Write correct number in the blank. 93 before 92 and 92 before 91. 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98 and 99, 99.